Hello, hi everyone. So in today's video I will talk about audio synchronization in DaVinci Resolve, and basically I have two videos. One is this. Hello everyone. As you hear, it is much quieter, and the other is hello everyone. This has been recorded with microphone, and the other with the phone's microphone. And what we're gonna do is drag and drop, move in DaVinci Resolve, select both of them, and basically drag in your timeline, drag the other one in your timeline, and you could synchronize them with based on the waveform, but there is a much easier way. How many watch times? 2024. As you see here, the audio has been desynchronized. What we're gonna do is select all of them, right click, auto align clips, and waveform. Analyzing the content, there was a drop, and let's see and how much subscriber I got. By the way, thank you very much for all of you who you have subscribed to my channel. Those, and if you think this is helpful, as you can hear already, it's working well, you can consider to subscribe right away. You don't have to wait till the end of the video. So thank you very much. I wish you a great day.